My name is Fanny. You can call me Fanny. I am Methodist 5 student and I'm Form 11 social class. Today, I want to share a video about giving and expressing opinion. Is that my friend? Hi, what are you doing? Let's have a seat. Oh, hi. Oh, okay. How are you today? I'm fine. And you? I'm fine too. But there's a bit of sad news. What news? My mom is sick. I'm worried about her current state. What happened to your mother? My mother suddenly had a fever and looked weak. I hope your mother will be fine. Don't worry. I believe your mother will get well soon. Thank you. But what do you think about my mother staying in the hospital? I'm afraid of unwanted things will happen because I heard about hospital situation during this COVID pandemic. In my opinion, staying in hospital is a bit dangerous for now. I think so, but why did you say that? Because the hospital for me now is a place to accommodate people with various diseases. So far, the COVID virus can be transmitted easily, especially when touching accidentally can be contagious. Just look at the hospital, which is full of COVID-19. The doctor's tools have been used by many patients. The environment is filled with heat due to the crowd. The air is mixed. Therefore, I'm very afraid if I get sick to stay in the hospital now. You're right. I get worried if my mom is in hospital. Don't worry, your mother is a strong woman. I have to be sure. Thank you for your opinion of staying in hospital. No problem. You're welcome.